Hi everybody, Sherri Michelle here. Today in this video, I will be doing a CPOP soap. It will be called a Lavender Dream. I'll be adding real lavender buds at the end, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss this. I've already mixed my oils together, so at this point I'm adding lye and I'll begin to start making my soap. The colors that I decided to use was a beautiful vibrant purple, and then in addition I added a pearlized white and a gold mica. Okay, I'm super excited. This cute mold with the ridges at the bottom, my boyfriend got this mold for me, and I'm really excited to see how it turns out with the design on the bottom and the design on top that I'm going to also do. And to really make the design pop out, I'm going to add glitter to the bottom of the soap. One of my favorite parts of soap making is playing in the soap and feeling the texture of the soap. Things got a little messy during the soap making, but that's also part of the fun. Okay, now after all the playing and designing in the soap, I decided to add real lavender buds to my soap. And ta-da! There you have it, Lavender Dream Ravishing Lather soap. This soap is super hydrating. It has grape seed oil, olive oil, lanolin oil, coconut oil, straight hydrating and conditioning, skin loving. Stay tuned for the next video, which I will highlight me cutting the soap.